first trading day in March. These are the results on the day: minus 1,075 and minus 225 in the 250 and the 50K portfolio. Live results: 6 losing days in a row. Hypothetical end of day drawdown adjusted based on the portfolio calculator update. We did a little better than the hypotheticals with slippage in our favor, and we are 6 losing days in a row. Like I said, just continues. We're looking forward to March trade, but March has followed through similar to February. Today it just seems like every sell-off is just bounces right back, and you can see that it's just all the sell-offs are preempted. All the sell-offs are preempted. Fight right back, fight right back. And it's a hard pattern to lock in, quantify. Trends are less. There's less parameters to a trend. But chop, there's an infinite number of ways the market can chop. And so finding the best ways to trade that chop, just unusual. Market continues to be unusually choppy in this time period. The effort is to, looks like the effort is to prop up the market, prevent it from going down, and it makes it hard to trade that way. So let's look at the trades on the day. There were not many trades, 4 trades total, and we had 1 on the ES, and 3 on the Nasdaq. 3 Nasdaq trades. Tick reversals up actually a little bit. Plus, let's see, what was that? Tick reversal was up 490. Tick reversal. This tick reversal was up 380. And you can see we continue to see short trades that look like this. You get a strategy that goes short, and then the market just flattens out. And you think, well, if it always does that, what can we do? Well, it's just flat. It's hard to trade. Unless you're shorting options or you have a high frequency scalping system that trades. We talk about trading counter trend methods or shorting the highs and buying the lows, but if the range is too narrow, it becomes hard to overcome transaction costs. And so just continue to see this preempted prevention from selling market sell-offs. And so Viper just stopped out here. After it was stopped out, it just kind of worked higher. So Viper was down 12.25 on the day, and then let's look at the S&P. Those are the 3 Nasdaq trades, and let's look at the S&P. Tick wave started off to take the long trade, then went down and stopped out, and then just went back and forth all day. Multiple V reversals really in this market, like we've talked about. It's difficult to trade. Let's look at the strategies that we're working on. So opening chop was a high of the day. Took the short trade, took the long trade, got out there, and didn't trade the rest of the day. And then there was, let's see, there was this strategy that took a short trade to maximize this. It took the short trade, but right at break even on that trade. That's tick chop. And then adaptive moving average is one that I've looked at. It did terrible today. Minus 3,900. It's basically the 1-minute version of adaptive moving average. It has a pretty good. It's had a pretty good run, but it's got beat up pretty good today. And you can see where it was. I'm glad we didn't trade this today. It looked like a good time to get in here, but it took another leg lower. Longer term, this looks pretty good though. So it might be a good day to start trading this tomorrow. I'll have to take a look. And it's hard to jump in on strategies that are hot. It's hard to exit strategies that are due for a bounce. A lot of strategies are due for a bounce. This one I developed just yesterday, and got the short trade, got the long trade up a little bit on the day, plus 287.50. And so the net result of these top 3 strategies right here are the chop strategies. These 3 are chopped during news events and certain days, and then adaptive moving average 1 minute. Tick count trend dynamic turnaround, and the net result of all of these strategies that traded today was down, mainly because of adaptive moving average. The other 3 were actually up net. So those are the trades on the day for the first trading day of March 2023. Hey, David Bean here. Welcome to Capstone Trading Systems YouTube page. Be sure to subscribe to join our community of algorithmic traders. We are real money traders. We share our winning streaks, we share our losing streaks, as well as market updates, strategies, and coding tips.